we organize an online customized workshop. You bring the students, you bring the parents, and I bring the director of the university who will give a speech. Okay? Say this as well yesterday, because every day we do workshop, every day. Yesterday I had Collège de Paris. Collège de Paris, located in France, they have 75,000 students. They have multiple campus. They have campus in Paris, in Lyon, in Montpellier, in France. They have campus as well in Bruxelles, in Belgium, in Sevilla, Spain. And I had 110 agents join me yesterday from one university. The strategy is bring the agents into one place, customize. The same is the students and the parents. I make an example, another example.